The latest coming in from Kolkata is about the investigation that's been on and the politics around it. Now, the Central Bureau of Investigation has intensified effort in the RG Kar rape and murder case. Multiple premises linked to the former principal, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, is being raided in and around Kolkata. Now, this is, as CBI is saying, is part of the corruption investigation. But in addition to this, CBI officials specifically continued to grill Dr. Ghosh at his residence, and this happened for 12 hours on the 10th consecutive day of the questioning. Now, the agency, interestingly, is also questioning one of the close aides of this former principal, one Dr. Debashish Som. Is a professor in the forensic department. Remember, none of them are accused in the case. However, clearly there are some leads that the CBI appears to have that they are focusing on specifically Dr. Ghosh right now, and specifically because he was in charge of the hospital when the incident happened. But the TMC is lashing out at the CBI. The reason possibly for that is they are saying that they haven't uncovered anything new. The TMC is questioning the capability, the credibility, since the CBI has taken over the probe.
After conducting the search operation for last 12 hours, finally the CBI team is leaving the residence of former RG Kar Hospital principal, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. You can see this is the Balaji Nivas, which is residence of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, who is former principal of RG Kar Hospital. And right now the CBI team is leaving his residence in Beleghata in Kolkata. Two team of CBI from anti-corruption branch conducted raid at his residence for last 12 hours. And Sandeep Ghosh, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh was present inside the house. He opened the door and allowed CBI inside his house, and he has been questioned by CBI. Right now you can see several officers are leaving from the residence of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, and they are being cordoned by CRPF, the Central Police, CRPF. And when the CBI team was leaving, they brought several documents from the house of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. It seems several important documents have been seized by the CBI, and his house has also been searched. Dr. Sandeep Ghosh has been questioned by the Central Provincial CBI in connection with the alleged financial fraud, whatever has taken place in RG Kar Hospital in the tenure of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh when he was the principal of RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata. With camera person Tapas Bairi, this is Rajesh Shah for India Today, Kolkata.
देखिए, इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, उसके ऊपर कमेंट नहीं करना है. ये तो शायद ये कौन केस में, शायद वो करप्शन वाला केस में. लेकिन पहले क्वेश्चन यही है, जो वो आरजी कौर का जो रेप केस है, मर्डर केस है, वो तो तुरंत सॉल्व होना चाहिए. एक अरेस्ट वो भी कलकत्ता पुलिस ने किया है. सीबीआई क्या कर रहा है? जितना डिले हो रहा है, इतना फेक न्यूज, ये जो बहुत गॉसिप्स चल रहा है, पॉलिटिक्स चल रहा है, ये स्टॉप करने के लिए ये तो सॉल्व होना चाहिए. पहले तो वो मैटर सॉल्व होना चाहिए.
এর থেকে বেশি আশা করি না. সিবিআই এর যে কনভিকশন রেট আছে, আজকে যাদের কলকাতা পুলিশকে 3 দিন দিতে কষ্ট হচ্ছিল, সিবিআই 12 দিন সময় নিয়েছে, অথচ এখন অবধি কিছু আলাদা করে বার করতে পারে. এবং আমি অ্যাজ এন ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল মনে করি যে সিবিআই এর নিজেদের তাদের ক্রেডিবিলিটি, তাদের কেপাবিলিটির উপর আমার যথেষ্ট সন্দেহ রয়েছে. এবং এটা আমি না, এটা ডেটা বলে. তাদের কনভিকশন রেট 1% এর নিচে.
27 तारीख को स्टूडेंट लोगों का आंदोलन है, नवान्नों का घेराव है, इसलिए हम आंदोलन बंद रख ले. 28 तारीख से फिर से हम धर्मतला में धरने के लिए हमने अपना आरजी डाल दिया है, पुलिस के पास दे दिया है. पुलिस अगर परमिशन देती है, अगर नहीं देती है तो हम कोर्ट जाएंगे. आगे आने वाले समय में 29 तारीख को हमारी महिला मोर्चा और महिला मोर्चा के नेतृत्व में सारे महिलाएं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की, वो महिला कमीशन, पश्चिम बंगाल की जो महिला कमीशन है, जो दीदी का कमीशन बन के रह गया है, जो कुछ नहीं करती, उसमें ताला लगाएगी और ताला लगा के महिला कमीशन को बंद कर देगी. इस महिला कमीशन की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
देखिए, ये सिर्फ बीजेपी की नहीं है, पूरा देश कर रहा है, पूरा बंगाल कर रहा है. पूरा बंगाल बोल रहा है कि ममता बनर्जी दूर हटो, अगर विचार देने के लिए विचार दो, नहीं तो दूर हटो. ये सिर्फ बीजेपी पॉलिटिकल मुद्दा नहीं है. अभी नॉन पॉलिटिकल लोग भी ऐसा बात कर रहे हैं. किन को मुंह में वो सेलोटेप लगाएंगे, किसको धमकी देंगे, ये धमकी का बात नहीं है. ये पूरा बंगाल मांग रहा है कि ममता बनर्जी हट जाए, नहीं तो विचार दे.
So remember, the investigation is not just about the questioning, it's also about the polygraph tests that are being done, the psychoanalysis examination that are being done, and other forensic examinations as well to compile an evidence. Interim report may have been submitted, but eventually the question will be, Was it an isolated case of brutal rape and murder, or was there something more to the Kolkata case? Here's a report on that.
The investigation in RG Kaur rape case and murder has taken a significant turn. Central Bureau of Investigation has ramped up its efforts. CBI conducted a series of raids across 15 locations, including the residence of Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kaur Medical College, in corruption probe. This after CBI registered an FIR against former principal Ghosh after grilling him for over 12 hours on the 9th consecutive day.
Residence of former RG Kaur Hospital principal Dr. Sandeep Ghosh is currently being searched by the Central Province CBI in connection with the case of corruption, financial corruption. And Deputy Super of RG Kaur Hospital raised the serious allegation of financial misconduct, financial irregularities against Dr. Sandeep Ghosh and his team. And finally, the state government had formed 4-member special investigation team to probe those allegations of financial irregularities against Sandeep Ghosh.
Earlier, Calcutta High Court transferred RG Kaur corruption case from Bengal government's special investigation team to the CBI. CBI also conducted lie detection tests on 6 suspects linked to the case. A team of polygraph specialists was flown to Kolkata from Delhi to conduct accused Sanjay Roy's polygraph test at the Presidency jail where he is lodged, along with 2 others.
This is where Sanjay Roy, the prime accused in the case who has been arrested by the Kolkata police, is lodged. And of course, he was handed over to the CBI once the Calcutta High Court ordered that the entire investigation be handed over to the Central Probe Agency. Further, he was produced before a court a few days back and he has been sent to judicial custody. Therefore, he now remains lodged at the Presidency jail in Kolkata.
4 persons, including former principal Sandeep Ghosh, underwent the polygraph test on Saturday. RG Kaur junior doctors continue to be on protest demanding Kolkata Police Commissioner's resignation, questioning renovation of the crime scene, calling it a bid to destroy evidence.
जो 14 डेज का जो वेंडलिज्म हुआ आरजी कौर का कैंपस में, इस घटनाक्रम में पुलिस और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव का जो फेलियर है, ये फेलियर हम लोगों ने आइडेंटिफाई किया है। तो इस घटना को मुद्दा को सामने में रखते हुए सीपी का जो रेस्पॉन्सिबल अथॉरिटी था, सीपी का हम लोग रेजिग्नेशन मांगते हैं। जो फाइनेंशियल एंड फ्रॉड केस है रिगार्डिंग अगेंस्ट द एक्स प्रिंसिपल, वो सामने लाया जाएगा। एंड सीबीआई का जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, उसको हम वेलकम करते हैं।
Advocating for women's safety, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said crimes against women would not be tolerated.
महिलाओं के खिलाफ अपराध अक्षम्य पाप है। दोषी कोई भी हो, वो बचना नहीं चाहिए। उसको किसी भी रूप में मदद करने वाले बचने नहीं चाहिए।
How long before Kolkata's Abhaya gets justice? With Indrajit Kundu and Rajesh Saha, Bureau Report, India Today.